Basement remodel with a home theater. I don't care about the rest of the space. This is the only space that I care about, so I'm gonna share this with you guys. So here we go, home theater. I've been framing this out and spending a whole lot of time down here trying to get this done. So center here is where it's gonna be a 80+ inch TV recessed into the wall. As you can see right here, that's a Klipsch 820 speaker, floor standing, but I elevated it about a foot off the ground. Hopefully it'll be a little bit closer to your ear level. Center channel is gonna be right here, and sub is gonna be right there, and the other speaker is gonna be in that corner right over there. We are still gonna have a projector and a ceiling mounted screen that's gonna live. Ceiling mounted screen is gonna live there, and it's gonna just drop down in front of the display once we have it all up and going. And projector is gonna live somewhere within this area right here. Still gotta build my platforms for my riser. So still quite a bit of work to do. Figure I'll make a video. I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about home theater, so since I'm doing mine, I might as well post it. Hopefully you can get some ideas, and as I'm watching you guys this video, I'm getting some ideas as well, so thank you for doing that. But this is what mine so far is going to look like. It's not perfect, but it's pretty squared and everything is leveled out, so that's the best I can hope for. I'll keep you posted, and I'll keep making videos as I go along to see how it all comes out. Over here, as you can see, my speaker fit perfectly, so once the sheetrock goes in, it should have a tighter fit on both sides, top and bottom. So the measurements worked out okay. Hopefully the same goes for all the other spots, like the center channel, sub, and where the other speaker sits. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep you posted as I keep going along with this video. Hopefully the theater room comes out just as beautiful as I'm seeing it in my head, and we'll be enjoying some movies down here this summer. Talk to you guys soon.